This conference will now be recorded.
Open the software. So we'll take the same measurement, inches, 11, 10. The resolution should be same and the color mode should also be same, 300, and RGB, and give create now. And here we need to download some pictures. So today I'm teaching you neon light effect, and if possible after that completing I can teach you dispersion effect. So today I'll teach you that neon light effect. So for that we need to download some pictures. So let's go to Unsplash. We can download some pictures there. Splash. So first I will show you what is neon light effect, then I will go to, I'll select a picture. So neon light effect. So this is the thing. Neon light effect, we can give effects to anything, either for text or if it's for pictures. So we can give effects however we want. So let's do that. So for that we need to select some pictures. So let's go to Unsplash, select some good image here. So image selecting is really very important. I already told you why. So select the good image, proper image. So let me take some other picture. So I'll take a forest, forest night. Okay, I'll download this. So for this, I need to put some animals or something. Let's go to, let's put some wolf or dog, anything like that. So let me take dog first. Okay, we can go with this. So now we have taken the images, so let's place it here. Go to file menu. So if you want to place the picture, go to file menu. So there you have place embedded option. Click on that place embedded. So here two images which you have downloaded. So it will be here. Just select that image and place and enter. And again go to file menu, go to place embedded. So there the other picture, select the other picture and give place and just drag it and properly you need to place now. So place it properly. So here to place properly and put this picture up. You need to select this properly now. So if you want to select, you can go with a pen tool to select proper image. So just to zoom now, control plus for zoom, zoom the picture and now go with a pen tool to select properly. So here it is, pen tool. Take that pen tool and select it. So if you want to go with the pen tool, so here just click, so and just take it wherever you see the curve point, just click and drag. I'll get the two lines here like this and cut it with alt, that one line, and continue doing it. And again wherever you see the curve point, just click and drag. You'll get the two lines, so cut it with alt and again click and drag. Again cut it with alt. Take the path. If it is straight, you can take the path easily. If it's not, if it's like curvy, you can click and drag like this. Click and drag, you'll get the two lines. Now cut it with the alt. And zoom it as much as possible. And now do cut the image properly. So how it is, just cut it like that. Select the image like that. Click and drag and you'll get two lines. Cut that with the alt. Click and drag. Take the space bar, you'll get a hand symbol and move it with the mouse. Select, click and drag, and make a selection properly. Make us make a selection properly. So here, so here properly select it wherever you see the curve point. Just click and drag and select that image properly. Select this properly. See, if you have not cut the two lines, it will come like this. So make sure after dragging it, you are cutting with the alt. Take the line properly like this and select it. Make a selection properly. Here I want only this object, which means the dog and the flower part. Main thing. So we need to select that properly. So to select that, zoom it as much as possible so that you can select properly, and it is easy to select if you zoom according to that shape. Select it properly. Again, just cut that. So click and drag like this. So cut this with Alt, and again here also just click and drag it. Again cut it with Alt. Go select it. Guys, you able to listen?
Yes, ma'am.
So some network issues going. So Okay, I got that object. So we joined the point now. So after joining everything, you can see here. After joining everything, just go to selection in the property bar, give the feather radius as 1 and OK. And if it is selecting the whole image here, here you just need to do Control Shift and I, the only part which we have selected, that select, and after that just do Control C and B, and here you can hide the picture now, and just we need to match the picture now. Reduce the size of this, and just somewhere you need to arrange it. And if you are arranging there, so we need to match the picture now. To match the picture with the background, so again same thing we need to do. So now just go to image menu. So go to image menu. There go to adjustments and go to brightness and contrast. Just decrease the brightness and here also just increase the contrast, decrease. And now go to that original image, click on that, right click first you need to right click and rasterize the image because it's our original image, so you cannot edit with the original image. So just need to right click and rasterize that image. So first rasterize the image and then go to image menu, adjustments. Here go to brightness and contrast. So now just decrease the brightness where it should look like a night sky. Increase the contrast little. So now I'll just give the moon also here. So if I want to give the moon here, so here take the layer and take this elliptical marquee tool, hold shift and just draw here. So here I'm just giving the moon. So apply the color now, alt backspace to apply the color and just control D to deselect. So now it is like this, but I want to glow this. So if I want to glow this means just right click and go to blending options, and this is how So if I want to glow this, you can go with a feather also, but naturally if you want to glow means, so naturally if you want to glow this means just right click on that layer, go to blending option. There you will be getting outer glow option. So you can go there and just click on that outer glow. So you can glow it however you wish to. So here if I increase spread, you can see there option, and if I increase the size also it will be like this. So let me decrease the spread and I'll increase the size. And if I want an extra means I can just increase the spread. So if I want that in to be like this, I can make it like this. Let it be around 10, and I can increase the opacity means if I increase the opacity it looks like this. So let it be the opacity, let opacity be around 28, 25 or something like that. And if you increase the range and if you decrease the range, you can see the differences here. So let it be like this. Sun will always glow like this. Sorry, moon will always glow like this. So this is a jitter. You can increase this and just give OK. And for moon, this is OK. And now if I want to give the glow to the rose there means I can give the glow there. Only I need to color there. So control plus, just control plus, and I'll take a new layer here, and I will take the brush here. I will go to brush tool here. So here I'll go to normal, soft rounded. So let me decrease the size. Here only I can decrease the size. So now I'll take a green color here So if you want the perfect color of it, you can just take the eyedropper and capture the color. So let that be like this. Now go to brush tool and you can just draw according to it. Zoom that, zoom it, and take the new layer first. Then you should do that. Then you should draw. So now just draw. Just draw it. Reduce the brush size. You can just draw according to it. Now again, you can take the brush again and or else you can just select only that part and you can give the color. You how to give a color or else how to select. Now let me just hide this, okay? I'll show you how to select. If you don't want to draw means you can just select, go to that particular layer, that dog layer, select and subject there, select only this part. Now go to quick selection and press alt and subtract the selection, increase the brush size, select alt, select alt, click alt and subtract the selection. Now just zoom the picture. What you need to do here is reduce the brush size and drag it like this. And still reduce the brush. Click alt and subtract the extra selections which they have come. And here also just drag it. If you want to select means you need to drag it. If you want to subtract those means, subtract the selection means you just need to click alt and then you need to drag it. So now that part only selected. So just zoom it and select this one and reduce the brush size till take the selection from here. So now these are all the extra parts. You need to select those with the alt. Click alt and just drag it. Now just zoom it. Reduce the brush size. Now increase the brush size. Click alt and remove those. Now control minus only data is selected. And in that also, I'll just subtract this one. So now what I will do, I'll just take a layer and I will apply color, alt backspace. So now it got upload. It got upload. Just press Ctrl D and right click. Before going to that blending option, reduce the opacity of it a little and then go right click, go to blending option. There you go to outer glow and now the color is like white. So take the proper color. So now you can increase the glow there. You can see there. And if you draw also, you can just right click and you can go there. Or else if you don't want to draw anything, you want to select properly means you can do like this. And now you can say if I zoom out that, so only that as darken. So now what I will do, I'll just go to that part and now I will select only the rows. Just zoom it. So now take the new layer and I'm giving red here. Apply alt backspace to apply. Now you can reduce the opacity of it. Reduce around 55. Now press Ctrl D. Now just go right click and go to blending option. There go to outer glow. So here also it has taken green only because it is green here. Go to red. You can select the red glowing there. So now see the glowing there. So you can give any color here, yellow, red, anything like that. Now just yes. Now go to image adjustment in that brightness and contrast. Reduce the brightness and increase the contrast. Here it should look like dog. So select that part and do, because if I go to this particular layer without any selecting, there it will take everything, the rows and everything. So I don't want any roses here because that should be glow here. That should be glowing here. So only I will select the dog here and then I will do the corrections. So now you can see I have glow on the moon and this part. So I can, so here if it's glowing here means, so here I'll go to that particular layer. I'll take a brush and if I increase that brush and because it's glowing, I need to give here the color. So if it is Control Z, so I'll go to brush, I'll select this color, go to brush. So if I click here, everything will, so everything here and all it should glow. So for that I should reduce the opacity and then I will take that. Before putting it, I'll reduce around 38 or something like that. So here I'll just click because excuse me. So here and all it should glow because the green as applied here, so that's why. So if I increase the opacity here, you can see. And for this part also. Go to that layer, just a little increase here. And you can give the color to the eyes also here. So if you want to give the color to this eye means just go to quick selection, go to that dog layer and give the color there. Select the eye part properly and then just give the color. Take the selection properly and then you can apply color and you can give the color here also. So here you can select and you can give the color. Now it'll just take time. If I zoom out, you can see here. So where and all it has applied the color. So you can just crop the image. After doing everything, just go to crop tool and crop the image. Give enter. So now this is your image. So you can make anything glow. Only if you want to give any light effects like this, if you want to glow, you can use this technique and it is easy. Just go to blending option and you can glow anything. Guys, answer to your attendance. Adya Tyagi, Adya Tyagi, Adya Tyagi, you're present.
Yes, ma'am, I'm present.
Abhivekti, Abhivekti, Achala Reddy, Achala Reddy, Afreen Sultana, Afreen Sultana, Amruta Roy,
Present, ma'am.
Anuka Varsha,
Present, ma'am.
Ashmita Deb, Ashmita Deb, you're present. Ashmita, Ashmita, B. Sharda,
Present, ma'am.
Bhuvya Shri, Chris, Chris, you're
Ma'am,
present.
what was the previous name you called?
Bhuvya Shri, Bhuvya Shri,
No, ma'am, that's
Bhuvya,
not me.
Bhuvya Shri G, absent. Oh. Okay, Chris,
Present, ma'am, Chris.
Deepna Devaya, Deepna Devaya, Diya Mandara, Diya, you're present, Diya. Hitaishi, ma'am, this is Achula. I was present. I got exited due to network problem. Kindly mark me present, ma'am.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Okay. Hitaishi, Hitaishi, able to listen now?
Yes,
Guys,
ma'am.
you able to listen? Okay, Huda Konoin,
Present, ma'am.
Jyoti DM, Jyoti DM. Kushi Bang.
Present, ma'am.
Kausiki Baumek.
Present, ma'am.
Mary Sanjana.
Present, ma'am.
Musadrite Jasmine. Navjot Kaur.
Present, ma'am.
Purnashri.
Present, ma'am.
Sahana Kulkarni.
Present, ma'am.
Samiksha Bajaj. Samiksha Bajaj.
Present, ma'am.
Sanjukta. Sanjukta
Present,
Gupta.
ma'am.
Serena Fernandez. Serena
Present, ma'am.
Fernandez.
Present, ma'am.
Charl- Charlene Shruti. Charlene Shruti. Shirisha Siddharth.
Present, ma'am.
Ma'am Shruti Mishra present.
Shruti Mishra. Sonal Manju.
Present, ma'am. Ma'am.
Yeah. Yes. Yes. Tell me.
Koshiki Bhomik present.
Kau- okay.
Ma'am, Mary Sanjan also present. Someone answered instead of me.
Okay. Srija Dutta.
Present, ma'am.
Sonal Manju.
Present, ma'am.
Tejaswini Casey.
Present, ma'am.
Sangam Tamblembi.
Present, ma'am.
Trisha. Trisha. VS. Harshita. Harshita. Okay, guys, I'll end the class today. I hope you got everything. So, if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the next class. Srija Dutta, present, ma'am. Yes, I marked you.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, Koshiki Bhomik. Ma'am, Koshiki
Okay, I
Bhomik
marked you.
present.
Yes, yes, I marked you. I marked you present. And if I'm not marking also, tomorrow I'll get your online attendance. Who are all attended, I'll get there. Okay, don't worry about attendance. Please do practice, which I thought. Okay, bye, class.